everyone! Today, we are talking about keeping your company data safe. OneDrive is a powerful tool, but syncing company files to personal or untrusted accounts can be a big security risk. We want to prevent this. This video will show you how to use Microsoft Intune to limit OneDrive syncing. You can make sure your files only sync with OneDrive accounts from organizations you trust. This helps protect your sensitive information from leaving your control. It is a very important security step for any business. Let's get started with the details. First, you need to identify your trusted organizations. This means finding their unique tenant IDs. You can find your own organization's tenant ID in the Azure AD Now Entra Admin Center. Just look under the Overview section. For other trusted organizations, you might need to ask them for their tenant ID. A tenant ID is a long string of numbers and letters. It uniquely identifies an organization within Microsoft's cloud. Once you have these IDs, you are ready for Intune. Next, open your Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Go to Devices, then Configuration Profiles. Click Create Profile. For the platform, select Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, choose Settings Catalog. Give your profile a clear name, like OneDrive Sync Restriction. Add a brief description if you wish. Now, in the Settings Catalog, click Add Settings. Search for OneDrive. You will see many options. Scroll down and find the setting called Allow Syncing OneDrive Accounts Only for Specific Organizations. Select this setting. Turn the toggle switch to Enabled. Now, you need to input the tenant IDs you collected earlier. In the box provided, carefully enter each tenant ID. If you have multiple trusted organizations, separate each tenant ID with a semicolon. For example, tenant ID 1, tenant ID 2, tenant ID 3. Double-check these IDs for accuracy. A single mistake could prevent legitimate syncing. After entering the IDs, click Next. The next step is to assign this profile. You need to decide which users or devices this policy will apply to. For maximum security, you should assign it to all users or all devices that use OneDrive for Business. You can also use specific groups if you have a more granular approach. Review your assignments and then click Next. Finally, review all your settings on the Review plus Create page. Make sure everything looks correct. Then, click Create to deploy the policy. After the policy applies to your devices, users will only be able to sync OneDrive accounts that belong to the tenant IDs you listed. If someone tries to sync a personal OneDrive account or an account from an untrusted organization, the sync will simply fail. This is a powerful way to enforce data boundaries. To verify, try syncing an untrusted account on a test device. It should block the sync. This confirms your policy is working. This simple Intune policy significantly boosts your data security posture. Thank you for watching this guide on securing your OneDrive syncing. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other tips. Share it with your colleagues who might also benefit, and consider supporting our channel for more helpful content. See you next time.